This is a 2-year level 6 program, which is essentially a common first and second year that is shared with our other programs, biotechnology and pharmaceutical science. So with this, the points are slightly lower than with the other courses. The nice thing about this course is that you experience the modules that were delivered to other degree programs. So this is a very flexible program. It allows you to kind of really trace the route you would like to take. In the first year, you have all the core science modules of physics, chemistry, biology, and some computer science. In second year, then we start to move a bit more into the different types of chemistry, so organic, inorganic, physical chemistry, and the different types of biology, including microbiology and biochemistry. At the end of second year, you have the choice to either pursue the biotechnology program or the pharmaceutical science program. So there's an add-on level 7 in each program, which you can do. And upon completion of the level 7, you will graduate, and then you have the opportunity to go for a level 8 add-on, which is like year 4 of a 4-year program. So you're getting exactly the same experience students who would be on honours degree programs for the biotechnology and the pharmaceutical science.